Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Fisod. My member group is Nathan Layang Anak John. Today, I would like to present about our mini project. The title is Instant Noodle Cup Machine. The title is Instant Noodle Cup Machine. So, we go to the summary. Instant noodle cup are sold in pre-cooked and dried block. So with packet of seasoning and widely consumed, university students are easy to prepare a simple meal to eat. Therefore, manufacture of instant noodle cup are one of demand product in the market. So the programmable logic control (PLC) is a automation become the global trend in manufacturing and packaging the instant noodle cup. In this project, we use conveyor as a transport medium from one place to another place. The function of the system and has a sensor. So sensor is to detect the presence of empty cup. After that, it packed into the box. So the problem statement is this project is conduct to know how useful of important automation. The problem is how to reduce human error. In this instant noodle cup. So therefore we come out with another alternative by this project as a solution. Then project objective is first to short time taken to packing instant noodle cup by using a machine. Second, to reduce the manpower by having this machine. Third, to reduce cost using manpower. Fourth, to improve quality product. This is proposed diagram of this project, mini project. So when cup is on a conveyor A, so first sensor is instant noodle feeder, second is seasoning feeder, seasoning packet feeder, third is cup lid sealing, then sensor 4 is to put the cup into the box and sensor 5 after. Sensor 5 is the output of the box when full of cup of instant noodle. So operate from the figure. This project is used 3 timer. Timer 1 is to install the instant noodle feeder. Timer 2 is to install add seasoning feeder, and timer 3 is to install add cup lid. So the input of this project is start button, which is to run all components in the ladder diagram. Second, stop button, which is to stop all operation in the system. And on delay timer T001, T002 and T003 and T004. The output is not switched on until configured delay has expired. So another input is sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, sensor 4 and sensor 5. Where the output is conveyor A Q1, instant noodle feeder Q2, seasoning feeder Q3, sealing cup lid Q4, conveyor B Q5, reset counter Q6, counter C001. So that's all from me. Continue to my friend Nathaniel yang anak John. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nathaniel. Today we will simulate our mini project by using the logo software. This diagram is our mini project purpose solution diagram. To start this machine, we will press the I1, which is the start button. This start button will turn on the M1, which is the memory for the latching process. After we turn on the start button, the sensor 1, which is I3, will turn on for 10 seconds to trigger the instant noodle feeder to drop the dry noodle into the empty cup. This process will occur for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the Q2 will turn off. Next, it will proceed to the second process. The sensor 2 will turn on, which is I4. This sensor will trigger the seasoning packet feeder to drop the pack of seasoning into the cup. This process also occurs for 10 seconds. The Q3 will turn on for 10 seconds. After that, it will turn off after 10 seconds. Next, the third process is the lip sealing. This process will turn on when the sensor 3 detects that the dry noodle and the seasoning packet inside the cup. This process will occur for 10 seconds. The sensor 3 is the I5. And the Q4, which is the sealing cup lid, will turn on for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, finish. All the three processes is done. And this will trigger the timer T004 and turn on the Q1, which is the conveyor A, to move after all these three processes done. Next, the conveyor A will move and drop it into the conveyor B. When it drops at conveyor B, the sensor 4 will detect the cup and start to count down amount of cup that insert into the box. Sensor 4 is the I6. For example, if one cup is insert the box, counter will start increase from 0 to 1. This is because the input from here is changing from 0 to 1, which trigger the count out of the counter. In this mini project, we want that cup of instant noodle, insert this packaging box. We will trigger the counter until it reaches 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After it reaches 8, the i7 will turn on. The function of this i7 is to reset the counter to 0. Now you can see that the counter is reset from 8 to 0. After it resets to 0, the conveyor B will turn on and move this packaging to the worker to pick up it for delivery. And this whole process will repeat it until we push the I2, which is the stop button, and the whole process will stop. And that's all from us. Thank you.